Hey, did you see the intricate welding work on that new bridge? It's like a piece of art.
But those beautiful welds aren't just for aesthetics. They're the result of precise welding symbols interpretation.
Welding symbols interpretation.
Well, welding symbols are a standardized language that provides instructions for how a weld should be made. They specify details like the type of weld, its size, and its placement.
That sounds complicated. How do welders make sense of all those symbols?
It's actually not too bad once you get the hang of it. Welders go through training to learn the basics, and they often carry reference guides with them on the job.
I can imagine how important it is to interpret those symbols correctly, especially for critical structures like bridges.
Exactly. Even a small mistake in interpreting a welding symbol could lead to a weak or faulty weld, compromising the integrity of the entire structure.
That's a lot of responsibility. What happens if a welder encounters a symbol they're unfamiliar with?
In cases like that, they can consult more experienced welders or refer to comprehensive welding symbol guides. Clear communication and double-checking are crucial to ensure everyone is on the same page.